Chosen one, listen carefully. What I'm about to tell you may surprise you, maybe even shock you. The fact that you're here, right now, hearing these words, is not an accident. You were guided here. Something powerful is unfolding in your life, and this message is part of it. The blessings you've been praying for, the freedom, the abundance, the opportunities, they're already moving toward you. This isn't just a shift in mindset, it's a spiritual alignment, a deep transformation happening in your soul and in your circumstances. As one of the chosen, you're about to experience things falling into place so perfectly it will leave you speechless. But here's the truth. To step into it fully, you need to understand the process. Otherwise, you'll miss what's right in front of you. So before we go deeper, do 3 simple things. Like this video, subscribe, and type the number 11 in the comments. That number is a signal, a declaration to the universe that you are ready to receive what's meant for you. And if you truly are a chosen one, your spirit won't let you stop here. You'll listen until the end, because you know deep down, this message is written for you. Now, let's talk about your journey. I know there have been seasons where you felt forgotten, overlooked, even defeated. Times when no matter how hard you tried, nothing seemed to move. But hear this clearly, you are not behind. You are not off track. You are exactly where you need to be. Every delay, every closed door, every setback has been part of your preparation. The struggles you faced weren't sent to break you. They were sent to strengthen you. Look back for a moment. Remember the times you thought you wouldn't make it, but you did. You kept going. That wasn't luck. That was purpose. You were being shaped into someone who could hold the weight of the blessings that are on the way. You see, success without struggle is fragile, but success that's been built through pain, through patience, through perseverance, that kind of success lasts. Your trials have been the training ground. The challenges were the chisels carving out your character, wisdom, and resilience. Every difficulty you've faced is like a key, unlocking the door to your future. The very obstacles that tried to block you are the stepping stones lifting you higher. What you thought was a detour has been the direct route all along. You might not understand it in the moment, but the universe doesn't make mistakes. If you've been tested, it's because you're trusted. Trusted to rise, trusted to carry wealth, trusted to carry a legacy that reaches far beyond yourself. And yes, legacy, because this isn't just about money flowing into your hands. This is about generational wealth, generational healing, generational purpose. What you're building will ripple into the lives of your children, grandchildren, and generations you may never meet. You are the one chosen to shift the pattern. The cycle ends with you, and a new one begins through you. But let me remind you, greatness always comes with challenges. You'll be misunderstood. You'll be doubted. People may question your choices, criticize your path, or laugh at your vision. But chosen ones are rarely understood until after they've succeeded. Don't let their opinions sway you. What they can't see now, they'll one day witness when your blessings manifest. Your success will speak louder than their doubt. Sometimes the hardest part of the journey is the silence, the waiting, the seasons where it feels like nothing is happening. But silence doesn't mean stagnation. A seed grows in darkness long before it breaks into the light, and that's what's happening for you right now. In the unseen, things are aligning. In the quiet, you are being positioned. When the breakthrough comes, it will seem sudden, but it's been in motion all along. And understand this, divine timing is not your timing. You may look at others and wonder why their blessings came faster, but your story is unique. Your timing is specific. The universe knows exactly when you're ready, and it won't deliver before then. What's meant for you cannot miss you, and when it comes, it will be undeniable. In this process, faith is your anchor. Fear will whisper that you're not enough. Doubt will tell you to quit, but faith is the bridge between where you are and where you're going. Faith is what turns obstacles into opportunities. Faith is what says, I may not see it yet, but I know it's coming. And persistence, don't forget persistence. Every chosen one has faced moments when giving up felt easier. But what separates the great from the forgotten is the choice to keep going. Each time you rise after falling, you build strength no one can take from you, and that strength is what will carry you into abundance. You are more powerful than you realize. The potential inside you is limitless, but potential only matters if you step into it. It's time to stop doubting yourself. It's time to carry yourself as though your blessings are already here. Walk like it, think like it, act like it, because when you align with that energy, the universe aligns with you. Remember this, the life you're building is not just for you. Every choice you make today is planting seeds for those who will come after you. You're creating more than wealth. You're creating an example, a testimony, a blueprint for future generations to follow. Your persistence, your faith, your courage will echo long after you're gone. And yes, you will face doubt, silence, and resistance. But you were not chosen to live small. You were chosen to rise, to break through, and to leave a mark that cannot be erased. Chosen one, your struggles are not wasted. Your waiting is not empty. Your blessings are not delayed. You are being positioned, refined, and prepared. The doors of abundance are already opening. The wealth, the opportunities, the legacy, it's already yours. Trust the process. Embrace the journey. Keep your faith unshakable, because the best chapters of your story haven't even been written yet. This is your time. This is your calling. And soon, the world will see what your spirit has always known. You were chosen for greatness.